What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we've got a really fun one, and one I hope to do more videos on as I try and hack this and have it display other stuff. But on its own, it's already extremely cool, as you could tell by me already geeking out over the potential ways we can use it. But these are Wi-Fi smart curtain lights, so you can actually change what's shown on your curtain with words, images, and even animations. Some really, really cool stuff. This has 540 LEDs, so a little bit of resolution to play with for sure, especially when you're considering their RGB. And it's 5 foot by almost 7 feet, 6.9 feet. I don't know if that's 6 feet 9 inches or 6.9 feet. I'm assuming 6 feet 9 inches, but yeah. Let's open this up and see what it looks like, and then I'm going to try and get some B-roll footage of me actually setting this up, and maybe I'll try and put it there. I don't know if it's going to look too good there. I'll put it outside of my actual window so that you guys can see what it looks like there. So let's open this up, and you'll see we have a very robust controller here with, come on, focus. Okay, a very robust controller with quite a few options, including images for the scene modes, color changing, all that good stuff. And then you just pull this out so that the battery is in use. So that's actually really nifty to be able to actually see the scenes. But this does support a phone app, so you don't actually have to use this. You can actually use the phone app and control it that way. Here we have a power cord, standard power cord. It looks like it's 15 watts, so it uses 15 watts of power. We have an on and off switch, as well as a music mode with a built-in microphone here. And then with a bit of lead, we have the actual LEDs themselves. Let me show you what these look like, because we're not quite done here. So these are on a rope, and you can see that the LEDs are kind of glued into place, right? Now, those aren't done. We're also given these, which are actually hooks for the strings. So you just place the hook in the plastic container. You can close it on part of the LED string, and then you can hang it from the top of your curtain, just like that. So not too difficult of a setup considering what it is. Oh, I see. So these are for the ends. So at the end of each rope, to give it some weight on the bottom, these actually hold it down. That makes a lot of sense. All right, so back to the LED curtain lights. I actually have had these installed for Christmas and New Year's outside, but I live in an apartment, and one, it's really hard to see them from the outside, unfortunately, where we had it set up. So while you could see it from far away, as you got closer to try and record it, the porch actually kind of blocked it. But I've gone ahead and installed it in the office so you can actually see what it looks like and all the different settings and stuff, because I've actually really enjoyed this one. It's a fun lighting system. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like right now. I'm going to go ahead and grab my phone, turn the lights off, and show you what's up. Alright, so you're not going to be able to see me very well, but you can see the LED wall. And the cool thing about this is, let's say I want to put some Halloween stuff on, right? I can go to Halloween, and now it's a spider. How cool is that? And there's even different ones that are animated. So for example, this one is an actual ghost that goes up the wall and everything. You could change the speed of this as well, so it kind of goes a little slower and all that. But yeah, you can go on here and essentially set up whatever you want to be on the wall, and they have a ton of really fun presets here. I'll go through some of them. Maybe some Ghostbusters here, stuff like that. But the really cool thing here is you can actually go to DIY, create a DIY, tap to edit, and you can actually draw whatever you want. So let's say I choose the red color, and I'm going to draw some circles up here, and maybe I want green for a triangle, and I want blue for a square. So you can literally go in here and draw pixel by pixel whatever you want to be on it, and you can even get fancier and create an animated one. So you can either animate these, for example, making it move up and down, left and right, or flashing and fading. But you can actually go and make an animated GIF, so you can actually choose each individual frame. So we can add a new frame here. We'll make the circle kind of down here. We'll make another frame. we can actually get an animation of whatever you'd like to draw. So it's very, very in-depth in what it can do. I'm hoping I can figure out a way to link it to my computer so I can do some really fun stuff. But yeah, we can have a nice little New Year's Eve countdown. We can have some fireworks that shoot up. I can speed this up a little bit so you can see it better. But yeah, they have some really, really fun designs here. The ones I really like are the system designs. These aren't really created for holidays and such, but there's some really cool effects here. So for example, these ones falling down. We have these ones that are kind of like Tetris. And apologies that it's not super straight. They're just kind of hanging on my wall here, but you can of course straighten them and mount them properly. This one's pretty cool. We have some Christmassy ones where it's just insane. We have some nice ones that drop down. Those are nice. These are really cool. Yeah, these are nice. So this one specifically, I like that. If it was like over a door or something and people would walk through this, I think that'd be a really cool entrance to like a club or something, right? So lots of settings here and some really fun ones too. So yeah, absolute shout out to Lumary for this one. This is a great product for pretty much any holiday or just having around, because it's really, really fun. Definitely check them out in the description. I'll put a link to them in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Peace. Digital guru with a modern day voodoo. The dude with the short fuse for ignorant minds. You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect,